How can I link my Visa gift card to Venmo?
Hello everyone, welcome to our today's tutorial. We are going to talk about a very useful topic, how to link your Visa gift card to Venmo. We all love to use our gift cards, and being able to do that with Venmo can make life so much easier. Let's walk through the process.
What do you need beforehand?
Before we start, make sure that you have the following ready. 1. Your Visa gift card information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. 2. Your Venmo account login credentials. 3. The Venmo app installed on your phone.
How to link your Visa gift card to Venmo?
First, you need to log into your Venmo account from your app. If you don't have one, you should sign up first. 1. Open your Venmo app and go to the Settings section by clicking the 3 lines on the top left of the screen, then scrolling down and selecting Settings. 2. In the Settings menu, select Payment Methods, then click on the Add Bank or Card button. 3. Choose Card from the options. 4. Enter your Visa gift card information. Make sure to enter the details accurately to avoid any errors. 5. Click on Add. If all the information is correct, your card will be added successfully. Please note, Venmo might charge a small amount, like $1, to verify the card, so make sure your gift card has a little extra balance.
What if I encounter a problem?
If you are unable to add your card, it might be due to one of the following reasons. 1. Insufficient balance for the verification transaction. 2. Incorrect card details entered. 3. The card issuer might not authorize online transactions, which is common for certain gift cards. In such cases, try contacting your card issuer or Venmo's customer support for help. That's it, folks. That's how you can link your Visa gift card to your Venmo account. Remember, if you face any issues, reach out to Venmo support or your card issuer for assistance. Happy spending! Thanks for watching, and be sure to leave any questions in the comments below.